Multiple offers _ seller request offers to be submitted by Saturday 3/13 by noon with acceptance time of Saturday at 3 p.m. Rare opportunity. Ranch style home on 5.2 beautiful rolling acres with a spring. This property offers a large barn and a second home that could be renovated into a studio or workshop. Great open floor plan and large master suite. Large kitchen with island. Take in the natural beauty from the screened porch and deck overlooking the property. Add your personal touches to make it your own.